Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the AO MindSync. This is the AO scan technology and we're going to check out the AO MindSync. This is going to be a quick tutorial just so that you know how to utilize it, and I will do another one that's a little longer that explains a little bit more about what AO MindSync does. So what you can do here is just click on this scan and it will choose, just like it does with many of the other things, what affirmation group would be best for you. So in this instance, it chose evening affirmations for me. You can also do any of these. You can do, I think this one's actually new, affirmations for self-confidence, positive affirmations, I am affirmations. You can also create custom affirmations, and it's a 60-second recording. And then you'll click record custom affirmation and you'll click allow, and you can do this on your phone as well. And then it will show you all of the affirmations and you can talk. So falling asleep is easy and natural for me. My body deserves a good night's sleep. I enjoy a full night of rest. And then you can stop it whenever you feel you're done, or you can read through all of them. That's totally fine too. And then hit the red record button. And then this is the offset hertz. This has to do with where it is at in your brain, essentially. So you can either turn it off or you can choose low, mid, or high. This is often going to change throughout, like each time, which one feels more centered in the brain. So oftentimes, whenever you're playing with those, you want to like feel it in the center of your brain, is how they explain it. But you can choose whichever type of audio music that you want. I like to do the meadow or the brook. And then you can change the volume of the music, so you can turn it up loud, you can turn the music down low. I recommend keeping the voice high, and then you'll click play. And it sometimes takes a little bit of time.
Show you all of the
And you can hear it,
affirmations and you can talk.
and you
So
can hear it
falling
kind of off
asleep is
centered.
easy. And it will show you all of the
So I just switched it to
affirmations
mid,
and you can
and
talk.
it
So
changes a little
falling
bit.
asleep is easy and natural. And it will show you all of
And then
the
you can hear how the low is
affirmations
also a
and
little
you can
different.
talk.
Anyway,
So and it will show you.
I'm gonna hit stop because that's a lot of extra noise. Um, but what you can do is just listen to it that instance, or you can go ahead and click the email button and email it to yourself. I haven't had like the greatest love of the email. A lot of other people have. So you can listen to the same one over and over if you email it to yourself. If not, you can just do a recording and then do a listen. But once you hit this back button, it totally erases the record. Uh, so you'll have to redo it whenever you come back in and then play with the settings and stuff. But that is a quick tutorial on AO MindSync, and enjoy!